Starting with breakfast, got my porridge again, and I'm really liking this coffee cup, this filter one, push filter, really good, really good. It's nice out there. Okay, it's a little bit, it's sort of like morning grey kind of thing, but I was going to surf and got up and there was some nice sets rolling in. This was like 6:30 when I woke up, but I was like, so I didn't. It's now dropped off again, it's flattened right off, so we're looking at probably 2 o'clock, 2:30 before we can get on the water and do some more surfing. So the thing is, it looks nice and flat now, so I'm going to go and have a dive, I think, once I have breakfast and got my head together. It's a late night editing video. And a dive would be good, and then I get to dive, surf and fish today all in one, because I'm a proper superhero action man kind of figure. Bendy limbs, swivel eyes, got eagle eyes. Yeah, that threw me. Nobody young's gonna know about that. I'm an action man with eagle eyes. Enough of that, thank you very much. So, yesterday, right, we're out there surfing in the afternoon, and I look down, I think, a mullet or bass? And there's loads of mullet, right, in the water under me. I can see the bottom, it's about 20-foot water, right, in this particular spot where I am. I'm like, wow, this is amazing. Just maybe 6 foot down, there's mullet. Occasionally come up to surface, and I think, those ain't mullet, mackerel, shoal of mackerel. So I'm surf kayaking through a shoal of mackerel and mullet. Fantastic. Anyway, I'll go out and have a little play in a little while, I think, just for the sake of it, really. There's no real reason not to, is there? Right, here I am at the lovely Sennen Cove where I was surfing yesterday. I'm now going to go out and have a dive. Got all my gear drying, waiting for the surf to pick up, and waiting for lunch to cook.
been a mega time, mate.
Oh, it has, mate. It has. Thank you so much for the invite.
Yeah.
And it's been great to see you again.
Yeah.
10 years ago we were fishing Plymouth.
Yeah.
And that was mental. And this was even more mental. So, from Mega Kayaks,
Yeah.
Richie the Ridge Monkey, and me, Sennen done. So I've just come from Sennen where I've been surfing and diving today. I'm going to go for the triple, taking the kayak out fishing. Meet up with my buddy Liam, who you saw the other day, and we're going to go shark fishing for some nice big tope, hopefully. So I'm out with Liam, about a mile out of Cornwall, 70-foot water. I'm using a third of a mackerel as a flapper, 20-40 pound flattened boat rods, solid carbons. There's Liam. Hey! He's finally taken out a proper celebrity. None of this extreme fishing bollocks. This is proper stuff. Robson Green can... So I'm trying to get some mackerel for some bait. There's a decent swell out here. And a bit of chop. Well, I've got a full string of mackerel. And that's the string that's going to go into the bin. It's had it. Right, live bait. So Liam has just had his first tope bite. The boy's a fish magnet. I trained him well. I trained you well, young Padawan. I was the first person to recognise your potential and poach you, you know. Well, I've not had any tope, so that's a pity. I've had a few mackerel for my tea though. So I spoke too soon, I've got a tope on, and Liam's coming to join in the fun. For those of you watching in black and white, this fish is in Technicolor. This is fun. Still cold though. Oh, that's a beaut. That's a beaut fish. And here she comes. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh, that's a nice. You said it was fun when I got the surf.
I wasn't wrong.
Right, let's give it some welly. Yeah.
Oh,
20
yeah.
to 40 pound flattened solid carbon. They just you feel everything on these. I don't normally use them because I can't set a hook, they're so flexy. You know, for the cod. Oh. And here she comes. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh, that's a nice fish. Look at that. Look at that. It's one good, strong, big fish. Isn't she? Oh, shake of the head there. Nice sized tail. Oh, she's under the boat. She's under the boat. Come on, back round this side.
You never know. We'll soon find out. Yeah.
Here, fishy, fishy.
Here it comes again.
See ya.
Lovely too.
Oh, she's under the boat. Come on, back round this side.
Watch your legs. Pin it down, pin it down. Whoa, watch your leg, mate. Watch your leg. Pin it down. Pin it down. Hang on. Wait till it calms.
Hey?
Wait till it calms a bit.
Yeah.
Get over your lap again. Just watch them teeth on your leg, mate. Yeah, he's strong.
Oh,
Strong
yeah.
fish. Alright, pin it down. Get your legs in the kayak if you can, but don't know if
In the kayak?
I don't know if you'll be more stable or not.
No, more stable out.
Yeah, okay, mate. That's it. You've got it. Perfect. Now grab underneath.
Brilliant.
Cornish tope.
Yes. Look at that. Mwah, baby.
Beautiful.
Right, now I'm going to get that hook out now. Right, beautiful, beautiful girl. Got to give you your traditional sharky kiss for luck, haven't I? Mwah! You are one beautiful girl. Now you go back there. Fuck off! Straight on me fucking butt. Ankle. Brilliant! Thank you, Liam.
Super.
I'm going to come over there and kiss you now.
Mission accomplished.
Absolutely, what a beauty. What a beauty.
Awesome fish.
What a fish, man. What a day. I've been surfing, I've been fishing, I've been diving. I've been eating crabs. I've been doing all sorts.
And now catching sharks.
And now I'm catching sharks. What a sweet end to the day. Awesome. Thank you, my friend. Beat that, Robson. Woo! Oh, quick shout out to you, Mickey. I've still got my sensational hat. Thank you, buddy. It's been absolutely fantastic seeing you again and fishing with you again. Really appreciate you taking me out and getting me what I was after.
No worries.
My first English tope. Brilliant. Cracking day.
Super fish.
Oh, wasn't it just? Yeah. My arms are going to be in pain from the sandpaper. No, cheers, buddy.
No
all the
worries.
best. So I've just parked up in a very large lay-by with an amazing view. Check this out. Look at that. That's just stunning, isn't it? Sorry for the shakiness, I'm still cold. I ask you, can any one day be this good? It's going to take a lot to beat this, a lot to even match it. And I'm going to finish off with a celebratory pot noodle, although this isn't pot noodle, it's super noodles. That's it, that's brilliant. I've had an outstanding day, I really have.